come and get it. What's up, these robots? Another video. So today we're going to check another SG of course. With me, I'm only one call away. Every day we save the day. So, so this is a challenge for me because some viewers said I always use split controls. Now, if we use not split controls, it's going to be hard for me because I'm not kind used to it and not split control. So, this is all my enemies. I'm going to kill them all. So, I'll be back, guys, if we're going to start. So, guys, it's 30 seconds right now, so here we go. So we're going to wait this only 30 seconds, so let's go. So I'm ready, I'm pumped for this one. And as you know, I'm not using my skin because I'm using Android right now. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. My kit is a prospector. Okay, good stuff. I need this. Okay. Good stuff. Good stuff. Some AFK person is there. So one here, like a running man. You know that. Running man studios. So we're going to go here. So I got to hide here first. So someone's going to go for me. I'm going to kill them. But yeah, I have a diamond pick. I can kill them with that. I remember, guys. Oh, I'm not still uploading yet. I forgot. Oh shoot. Cobweb. Cobweb. Always ruin my game. Like I did that part when the cobweb freaking ruin my game. See? Oh, and I'm not using split controls. I'm bad at parkour too. Because split controls is my game, man. There we go. Just wasted my time for that stupid parkour. And there's a chest. Yes, diamond. So we just need a chest plate right now. So we can be complete set of armor. So hopefully right now cannot see any people right now. Only now. But maybe later there's going to be one. Need to kill this out. Found the chest plate right now. And that's good. So I'm going to wear this for now. Then I think I'm ready for battle. I'm not scared anymore. Who's going to fight me? Because I'm not even scared right now. Totally lying. So, oh my gosh, this is some game times there. Okay. Oh, Jack. Oh my gosh, I can craft diamond sword if I can find some sticks. So if I find some stick. Oh, I really need to find a stick, yo. Yo, bro. Okay, stick. Okay, stick. So I'm back. Okay. I need the crafting table. So I need to go to the mid. Sorry. I'm going back on a trip in a very special pick. To the ouch. Take a damage right there. Potato is yummy. Potato. Special sila mid, right? Guys, he died. I died, guys. I died. Something glitched out, so I died. I'm gonna join there. So, guys, I installed 060. So the texture is so bad. Like this car. Bartender, what's up, bro? Love you, bro. Room VIP, I like bread. I'm gonna do some parkour right now. So I'm doing my outro. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. And if you do, please give a big thumbs up. And yeah, as always, subscribe, guys. So going to finish this parkour. There we go. Crap. I had to say this. So I hope you enjoy, guys. Goodbye.